Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hi sir. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my digital lesson design. My name is Naura Nazifa Syara with student ID number is A1B225071 and I'm a student of English education. Today, I would like to present my digital lesson design, and the title of my lesson design is Describing Personality Traits. And the target learners for this lesson are senior high school students. So, before explaining the lesson, I would like to describe the learner criteria. The learners are senior high school, students who are familiar with technology and enjoy interactive learning activities. And they are active learners and usually participate well when learning activities are engaging and relevant to their daily lives. And these students are motivated to learn English for several reasons. For the first, English is an important subject at school and is often included in examinations. And the second, English help them communicative with people from different countries through social media and other online platforms. And the third, they understand that English can support their future education and career opportunities. And because of this reason, most students have a positive attitude toward learning English. And in terms of digital habits, students use smartphones almost every day. They spend time on social media platforms, watch videos online, play games, and use various digital applications. Since technology is already part of their daily lives, integrating digital tools into learning can make lessons more interesting and meaningful for them. The English proficiency level of the learners is intermediate. They already know basic vocabulary and grammar structure, but they still need practice to improve their speaking, reading, writing, and vocabulary skills. Therefore, this lesson is designed to help them explain their vocabulary related to personality traits in enjoyable way. And now, I will explain my digital lesson design. So, the title of my lesson design is Describing Personality Traits. The main learning objective is that students will be able to identify and describe personality traits using appropriate English adjectives. At the end of the lesson, students are expected to understand the meaning of common personality adjectives and use them to describe themselves, their friends, family members, or other people. To achieve these objectives, I use Kahoot as the main digital learning tool. Kahoot is an interactive online quiz platform that allows students to answer questions through their smartphones or laptops or other digital device. It creates a game-based learning environment that encourages participation and makes learning more enjoyable. Students can easily join Kahoot by entering a game pin provided by the teachers. And after joining the quiz, students answer multiple choice question and receive immediate feedback. Their scores are displayed after each question, which helps maintain achievement and motivation and motivation throughout the activity. The lesson consists of several learning activities. The first activity is the introduction stage. In this stage, the teacher greets the student and introduces the topic of personality traits. And the teacher explains the meaning of personality traits and provide examples such as friendly, honest, confident, hardworking, generous, creative, and patient. Students are encouraged to share examples of people they know who have this characteristic. The second activity is guide discussion. Students discuss the meaning of the personality adjectives with their classmates or their friends. They try to connect the vocabulary with real life examples. And this activity helps students understand the words more deeply and encourages communication in English. And the third activity is the Kahoot quiz. Students answer questions related to personality traits. For example, they may read a short description and choose the adjective that best match the descriptions. This activity helps students review and practice the vocabulary they have learned. And the fourth activity is feedback and reflection. After completing the quiz, the teacher reviews the answering together with students, maybe online or offline. The teachers explain any incorrect answer and give additional example when necessary. Students can ask questions, clarify their understanding. In addition, the lesson encourages active participation instead of only listening to explanations. Students interact with the content, answer questions, discuss ideas, and engage with their classmates or their friends. As a result, they become more involved in the learning process. So, to evaluate the lesson, I conduct a small trial with several classmates, 2 students. During the trial, my classmates participate in the learning activities and complete the Kahoot quiz. And the purpose of the trial was to observe student engagement and determine whether the lesson objectives could be achieved effectively. The trial produced positive results. The participants were enthusiastic and actively engaged throughout the activity. They enjoy answering the quiz question and show interest in the topic. Most participants were able to identify and understand the personality traits correctly, and the game-based format successfully increased participants and create a positive learning atmosphere. However, the trial also reveals some areas for improvement. Some participants needed more time to read and answer certain questions. Therefore, I would consider increasing the time limit for some quiz items, 20 seconds. In addition, more example and practice activities could be included before the quiz to strengthen students' understanding of the vocabulary. But overall, the trial showed that Kahoot is an effective tool for supporting vocabulary learning and increasing student engagement. It helps create an interactive classrooms, maybe online environment where students can learn while having fun. In conclusion, this digital lesson design combines English learning with technology to create an engaging and effective learning experience. The lesson helps students learn personality traits through discussion, interaction, and game-based activities. The use of Kahoot increases motivation, participation, and enjoyment in learning. Therefore, the lesson is suitable for senior high school students because it aligns with their interests, needs, and digital habits. I think that's all for my digital lesson plan. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for watching, and I hope this presentation has provided a clear overview of my digital lesson design. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day, and thank you very much. Bye bye.